Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. So we will start with our type 6. We need to prove that either u or v is a harmonic function, and hence we need to find an analytic function from that. So we know that function which is harmonic, if we prove it is harmonic, that is obvious that the function is analytic. So my first sum is v is given as 3x square y plus 6xy minus y cube. So that's my v is given. We need to show that v is harmonic and find corresponding analytic function. So let's start with solution. Now we had proved harmonic function in Cartesian form as well as polar form. So since my sum is in Cartesian, I'll be writing harmonic function for v in Cartesian form. So to prove that v is harmonic, we need to prove dou square v upon dou x square, dou square v upon dou y square should be equal to 0. So since v is given, we need to differentiate v 2 times with respect to x and 2 times with respect to y, and then add it. If it comes equal to 0, then we can say that it is harmonic. So I say step 1, that is, let's find vx. So vx is 6xy plus 6y, and the third term is 0. So that's my vx. Let's find vxx also. This is also said to be what? Vxx plus vyy, and that's equal to be 0. If this comes to be 0, we can say that is harmonic. So let's find vxx. So that comes 6y, and the second is 0. So now I find vy. With respect to y, it comes 3x square, and y is nothing but that is 1. And next is with respect to y 6x, and with respect to y this comes minus 3y square. If you do double differentiation, I get first as 0, second as 0, and the third as minus 6, that is 2 into 3 y minus 6y. Now what I need to do to check whether it is harmonic or not, I take LHS. So my LHS is Vxx plus Vyy. So that comes to be, if you can see, that is 6y minus 6y, which is equal to 0, and that's why I can say this is equal to RHS, and therefore I can say that V is harmonic, or you can say harmonic function. Now they have said us also to find analytic function. So step 1 in analytic function is vx and finding vy. So further I can move with my step 2. So here I write in step 2, for finding analytic function will be working same as my previous type. You need to put x equal to z and y equal to 0 according to Milne-Thomson. So I get vx as 6, 0, and this has 0, so that means y is 0. So since my vx came 0, and vy I can write as 3z square plus 6z, and third term is 0. So 3z square plus 6z. So I got vx and vy. So step 3 I can write according to analytic function, ux is equal to vy, and uy is equal to minus of vx. So let it be vx as 0. In the place of vy I can write ux is equal to 3z square plus 6z. So I got ux and vx. So I can write step 4 as f dash of z is equal to ux plus I vx. So which I can write as, that is equal to, I got ux, that is 3z square plus 6z, and my vx is 0. So this I got as f dash of z. Now I need to write f of z is nothing but integration of f dash of z dz. So hence once you integrate this, you can get 3z square plus 6z with respect to dz. So I can write as 3z cube divided by 3 plus 6z square by 2 plus c. So we can write here 3 and 3 gets cancelled, and here 3. So finally I can write my f of z is nothing but z cube plus 3z square plus c. So that's my function, and here we proved harmonic as well as we had find function. In the same way, they can also ask you that prove u to be harmonic, where you just need to prove, if they say that you need to prove u to be harmonic, so in the place of where we proved vxx plus vyy equal to 0, you need to prove uxx plus uyy that's equal to 0. So that will be only a change in such type of sums. Thank you for watching video on in 5 minutes.